Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Plow Lights is probably one of the most crucial upgrades for anyone who tackles winter weather. These lights not only enhance visibility during those early morning snow removal sessions but also significantly improve safety by making your plow truck more noticeable to other drivers. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of LED plow lights with integrated turn signals, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you decide if they're the right choice for your needs. Number 5. HWSTAR Pair 180W LED Headlights for Jeep and more. Tired of dim headlights? These HWSTAR LED headlights offer a massive upgrade. They are super bright and easy to install, giving you a modern look and improved visibility. Experience superior illumination with these headlights. They provide a perfect beam pattern, ensuring uniform light without blind spots. Plus, they won't glare at other drivers. These headlights are built tough. Made with high-quality materials, they are designed to withstand various weather conditions. You can count on them for years to come. These HWSTAR headlights fit a wide range of vehicles. They are a great upgrade for your Jeep, Ford, Chevy, and more. Installation is simple, making it a hassle-free upgrade. Safety is a priority. These headlights are DOT approved, ensuring they meet safety standards. They also feature a waterproof design, so they'll perform in any weather. What we like. This headlight offers a super bright and uniform light, ensuring no blind spots. Its stable illuminance guarantees consistent brightness over time. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting upgrade for your vehicle, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The lights are very bright. The turn signals work great. They are easy to install. Number 4. Amber LED Light Bar for Tow Truck, Wrecker, Police. Introducing the super bright LED light bar. It features the latest generation of LEDs, ensuring maximum visibility and longevity. This light bar is designed to provide exceptional performance in various conditions. This light bar boasts 86 super bright LEDs with clear lenses. Each LED is 1 watt and designed for 100,000 hours of use. The clear lenses enhance the light's effectiveness. It offers 20 front flash patterns and 3 rear traffic director flash patterns. The variety of patterns ensures that it can adapt to different situations. The multifunctionality makes it a versatile safety tool. It includes 2 red tail brake turn signal lights and 2 white cargo lights. The lights are designed to enhance safety and functionality. The cargo lights provide additional illumination when needed. The rear side features a tridirectional traffic director. Takedown lights and L and R cargo have 3 modes, lights on steady, flashing alternatively or flashing simultaneously. This feature enhances safety during traffic control. The dual-board aluminum housing provides heavy-duty durability. It comes with an adjustable no-drill roof mount with hooks, brackets, and hardware. This makes installation straightforward and secure. What we like. This light bar features multiple flash patterns and integrated brake and turn signals for enhanced visibility. It is designed with a tridirectional traffic director at the rear side. If you need a comprehensive warning system for your tow truck or snow plow, this is the one. What people say. The lights are very bright. The turn signals work great. Easy to install. Number 3. KEMIMOTO LED Motorcycle Turn Signals. These motorcycle turn signals feature 12 super bright LED beads, providing up to 4,782 lm of illumination. They are 3 times brighter than standard signals, ensuring that you are easily seen, day or night. This enhances safety with low energy consumption. Installing these LED turn signals is a breeze. Simply connect the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal. It only takes a few minutes to upgrade your bike's lighting. Designed for all conditions, these turn signals are IP67 waterproof and built to last. They are made from wear-resistant ABS with a sturdy rubber base. The copper wires ensure strong conductivity and a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours. These LED blinkers feature a unique flowing light design. They are Mark 24 certified, ensuring compliance and safety. The design is shiny but not harsh, adding a modern touch to your motorcycle. These turn signal lights are compatible with most 12V motorcycles using 8mm mounting bolts. They come with a 25mm power cord and the package includes 2 pieces. Overall length is 3.62 inches, with a thread length of 0.79 inches and a thread spec of M8 x 1.25. What we like. These motorcycle turn signals are super bright and easy to install, making them a great upgrade. They are waterproof and durable, ensuring they can withstand various weather conditions. If you're looking to increase your visibility and safety on the road, consider them. What people say. The lights are very bright and easy to install. The turn signals work great. The product is well built and seems durable. Number 2. Abrams LED Snow Plow Light Kit. Tired of struggling with snow removal? These ultra-powerful LED headlights make the job easier and safer. They provide bright, full 40W LED light to keep roads clear and safe. You don't need to be a mechanic to install these lights. The kit includes everything you need: right and left headlights, waterproof connectors, mounting hardware, and instructions. It's a quick and easy setup. Forget about those old halogen lights. These waterproof LEDs offer a bright 4000 lumens output with a 6000 K color temperature. They are built to last, providing reliable performance for up to 50,000 hours. These lights offer multiple settings to suit your needs. Choose between high-low beam, dynamic turn signals, and front-rear position lighting. Increase the efficiency of your vehicle with these versatile lights. These LED lights are built to withstand tough conditions. Made from aviation aluminum 6063, they are IP68 waterproof, anti-freeze, and anti-ice. You can rely on them for long-lasting performance, no matter the weather. What we like. This LED headlight kit provides ultra-powerful lighting and is designed for easy installation. It also features anti-freeze and anti-icing functions, making it ideal for harsh weather conditions. If you have a snow plow and need reliable performance, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The lights are very bright. The turn signals are a great safety feature. Installation was straightforward. Number 1. YanTech 60 LED light bar with cargo, brake and signal. This is the YanTech 60 Amber Clear LED light bar. It's designed for safety and visibility. This light bar is packed with features to keep you safe on the road. Featuring 102 super bright LEDs, this light bar ensures maximum visibility. The LEDs have a lifespan of up to 100,000 hours. It's a powerful and long-lasting lighting solution. It offers 19 front flash patterns and 3 rear traffic director flash patterns. You can customize the flashing to suit your needs. This allows you to signal others effectively. The light bar includes red brake signal lights, white cargo lights, and front takedown lights. These lights enhance its functionality. They provide comprehensive lighting for various situations. It has a dual-board aluminum housing for heavy-duty use. The adjustable no-drill roof mount makes installation easy. This ensures durability and easy installation. The product comes with a USA warranty and lifetime service. This gives you peace of mind. You can rely on its quality and support. What we like. This light bar boasts a super bright LED with multiple flash patterns and integrated brake and turn signals. It also includes cargo lights for added functionality. If you need a comprehensive and highly visible warning system for your vehicle, this is a great option. What people say. The lights are very bright. The turn signals are a great safety feature. The installation was easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.